Hi everyone, Kuntala here. Today I am showing you veg Thai green curry. Thai dishes are unique combination of taste, texture, color and the use of ingredients with lots of medicinal benefits as well as good flavors. Here I have given the ingredients list. Dry roast coriander seeds, cumin seeds and peppercorns for 1 to 2 minutes. Once you start getting aroma of coriander seeds, let it cool and grind it in mixer. Here I have taken 5 Thai basil leaves, 1 lemongrass rootstock, 10 Thai pea brinjals, galangal, 4 green chilies, 6 kaffir lime leaves, 10 Thai bird's eye chilies, 1 onion, 10 garlic cloves, turmeric and salt to taste. I have taken this lemongrass stalk, pound it a little bit and cut it into pieces. Remove the stem of the pea brinjals. These tiny brinjals are very useful in the treatment of cold, cough and skin diseases. Remove the stem of these bird eye chilies. These are the one in the 10 hottest chili peppers in the world. They have weight reducing qualities and they increase the metabolism of our body. Now cut this galangal root. I have taken here only 5 to 6 slices of galangal. Galangal is very beneficial for arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis and it helps in the inflammation and ulcers in the abdomen. If you don't get galangal root, you can use ginger. Now remove the center vein of this kaffir lime leaves. It has a beautiful aroma. Kaffir lime boosts our immune system and strengthens the hair follicles. It is best for dandruff and gives shine to our hair. Now cut onion into slices. These Thai basil leaves supports liver function and helps to detoxify the body. It has also anti-inflammatory properties. It has also very beautiful aroma. Now grind all the ingredients in the mixer and make a paste. Add little water to it and make a fine paste. Add garlic and little more water and make paste. Now add dry masala and grind it again. Here I strain this paste to avoid little strands while eating. I squeezed here all masala paste. I have taken 1 bowl broccoli, 1 bowl red bell pepper, green bell pepper, carrot, mushrooms, salt, yellow bell pepper, coconut oil and coconut milk. Heat the oil in pan. Add our masala paste. Add turmeric and saute it. Add red bell pepper and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add green bell pepper. Add diced carrots. Add yellow bell peppers and saute it. Add broccolis and mushrooms and saute it. Now add coconut milk. I have taken 800 ml coconut milk. Add salt to it and saute it. Let it cook for 15 minutes and again it's wonderful aroma. If you don't get Thai vegetables, then use this green curry paste. It is available on Amazon and I have given its link in the description box below. Instead of all Thai vegetables, you can use this ready green curry paste. Now green Thai curry is ready to serve. You can have it with either steamed rice, jasmine rice or noodles. Friends, try to make this Thai green curry and definitely you will love it. Do write me in comments and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.